Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can add labels to your cards in Trello. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just have some text, some cards here, and now click on the show menu and then go click more and you will find here labels. Now you have options to just rename your label to whatever you want, like let's say green could be like priority number 1. Okay, and this is like, this can be do it fast, like the red one, and this can be like danger zone. So now what you want to do is let's go, okay, stream, and this can be add the label priority number 1. And now let's go with the just wow, and let's go with the edit labels and do it fast. So this will be here. Again, do it fast. So this one will be, we need to make them immediately. And then let's go with a label danger zone. So, and this is how you actually make it. This is how you create the new labels, and you can also create new colors. It's really up to you. And that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support and subscribe. You know how it works. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.